Hi everyone. So I'm working on a tiny canvas today. This is just a 9 by 12. I'm going to use my little egg separator. I'm going to pour dirty pour through here and have it fan out. I did one of these a long time ago and it was fun. I did it on a big canvas though, so the result was absolutely beautiful. So let's see what we can get on a little canvas. I did put Payne's Gray with Gunmetal Metallic down as my base coat. And I'm going to be using Folk Art Blue Flash. That's a color shift. The Praj Posse Icy Arctic Teal. It's an iridescent pearl. This color is discontinued. I still have it available in jars if you want to get some. Delarani Phthalo Turquoise. I got a little bit in there. We're going to use that up. And the Deco Art Sterling Silver. This makes a great first color out color because it loves to just meld. So that will be our last color out. So I think I'm going to move these two around here. And we're going to start with the Delarani Phthalo Turquoise. I'm just going to pour all that in that cup because I'm going to use that up. Alan's going to hate me when he sees how many bottles I have to wash. He's my bottle washer. Okay. That's the price he pays to paint on Mondays. Alright, let's do some Icy Arctic Teal next. I am having so much trouble with this bottle today. Alright, let's play it the hard way. Oh my goodness. That's why I was having trouble. It seized up on me, didn't it? It's been sitting a while. So it is misbehaving. Alright, let's see if we can get a little more out of there. I'm being gentle. Alright, let's go with some Blue Flash. This is from Folk Art. And then we're going to hit it with the Sterling Silver. Okay, that's about all we need because we already have a base coat. And that paint needs to be strained. Okay. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I think it's going to fill in that pocket, isn't it? So let's go ahead and start it out with some silver there. Well, I caught the clump. Yeah, it's there. So I'm just going to shift a little bit just to get the rest of that out of there. And then I'm going to swing my hand under. Okay, so when we do this, I like the way that it goes onto the canvas because when you stretch it out, it just kind of opens up a little bit. But it's such a small canvas, I'm not sure if it's going to do that. So we'll see what happens. So right now I'm just opening it up so I can see what's there. Okay, so I find this quite interesting here. So I'm going to bring this up to the corner without losing that. And then I'll go to the opposite corner. And I'm watching that spot to make sure that I don't lose it. Now you can see that shift already. That blue flash is already pulling purple. I think I'm going to go more on that corner. Because I'm liking the way that this is opening up. I may just blow that edge too, because that's sterling silver and blue flash. So they're going to have a cute reaction. If I blow them out, they'll be like lace. So I need to turn it this way. And I'm just going to airbrush it just a little bit to open that up. And that's going to be it. I want to leave this alone because it's going to dry dark. The phthalo turquoise dries really dark. So I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to torch this here, see if anything arises, but I doubt it because that's the base coat does not have silicone. I got a little bit coming through. Interesting. It looks very purple now. I like the way this laced out. I should hit that one more time right there. Pretty. This side, but I can never like say I hate it until it's dry. And then I can say, okay, I really don't like it. And those go into a box. And then someday when I have a lot of time, I will either try to remove the paint from the canvas or I will just clean them and put gesso on them and repour them. But they're interesting. Isn't that cool? I'm using a different camera tonight because my other one was getting too many Venetian blinds, I call them. When you put the lights on, you get the lines in the screen. This one wasn't doing it as bad, but I really need to fix the other issue because I like the other camera better. But this can be it, guys. I think it's cool. I will have to definitely touch up these sides because base coats don't like to stay on the canvas very well in the corners, but it'll be pretty when it's dry. And, you know, we can always embellish this corner if we don't like it when it's dry. So I'm going to leave that one right there. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell so you'll get notified when I upload the next video. Click like, share, leave a comment. Join us on Monday nights right here on the channel. We're live from 9 to 11. And Alan and I both do 3 or 4 pours. So we kind of keep us going for a couple of hours and answer questions and talk about stuff, you know. If you're serious about painting and you just want to talk about painting, you probably won't have any fun because we talk about all kinds of stuff. But it's a fun time and you get to know everybody. You come every week and you get to know everybody and everybody's just friends. And we take that group of people on Monday nights and of course they join the Parage Posse on Facebook, which is my group, and that link is below. And we all keep the conversations going there. We ask questions, product reviews. If someone wants to know how to mix resin real quick, somebody's right on it. If someone wants to know how to put the second coat of resin on, we're right there to answer the questions. So if you're new to pouring, definitely join the group after you subscribe, of course. Join the group, and we have a whole big file section to help you out. And you'll find other YouTubers their links to their channels are there too. Also check out my Christina Welch Art page on Facebook. I post a lot of event stuff in there. And I've been posting a few things on Instagram here and there, but I'm not a big time Instagram person. I just don't have the time to do that because I sell paint. So if you're new to pouring and you want the ready to pour bottles, hit me up. You can get all that information in the group on Facebook, and we can hook you up with some paints and get you started. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys all on the next one. Bye now.